Good morning. I've got my trial version of Home Designer Pro 2021 open. I'm just going to grab an exterior wall and make a box. For this demonstration. And reading your post on my second monitor, you want 16 inches above 109 and an eighth. So I'm going to open this dialog box, go to the structure tab and finish ceiling, put in 109.125, that's 109 and an eighth, plus 16. With the tab key, let it add up. It's 125 and an eighth. Okay, now we've got the raw ceiling there. Now I'm going to take over to cabinet tools, like Eric said, and I'm going to put a soffit there around the edge. Now I assume you want it to step up. Now, I'm just guessing. So I'm going to put that soffit there. Now we'll take a look at that. Just this far. And you can see there's the soffit. Now, let's see, plus 16 total. So I guess I'm going to split it into 8 inches. I'm going to take this soffit. Excuse me. I'm going to make this one in height-wise 8 inches tall. And the width I don't care about. The depth, I'm just going to go 8 inches depth. And the highest one will be 16. That's how I arbitrarily see. You see that comes in there. Now I'm going to copy that one, copy paste, and drag the copy up. Now again, the ceiling, finished ceiling is 125 and an eighth. I'm going to copy that and apply it to this uppermost one. I want the floor to top to be that flush against the ceiling, and the depth I want it 16 inches, twice as thick. See? And now this one here, I want this one floor to top, same thing, minus 8 tab. Okay. That should put it right underneath there. And voila, there's your stepped, here's your overall height. Here's your 2 soffits. I'm going to go back to the camera, the floor plan, and I should, let's see. I'm going to hit the tab key to get that one, press the shift key and get this one, and then copy. And then I'm going to lock the copy in place, sticky mode. Drop one over there, drop one over here, drop one over here. And yeah, and take that and put that over there. Hit the tab key to get the, whoops. I guess I copied 2 copies over here. When you're in sticky mode, that's not that hard to do. Okay, I think I'm down to 2 copies. So I'm going to take this one and put it over here against that one. Stretch these out. I copied one over here. Now I don't see it. That looks like, yeah, okay, now I remember. Tell you what. I'm going to delete some of these copies. Here's just 2. You get tab and then grab that one, and I'm going to swing it around. Put it up against the ceiling and stretch the skinnier one over so it connects with that one. Make these connect. I'm not going to do all 4 sides. I think you get the idea. I'm going to delete these. We'll go back to the camera view that I have open, and voila. Isn't that what you wanted? Or something like that? Well, I hope this helps you. And whether it does or not, make it a great way. I'll give you that again. It's early in the morning for me. Make it a great day, okay? Hope this helps. Bye.